Today I'm going to go over how you can make these random looking blood splatter or paint splatter looking shapes. So it's pretty easy to do, you just need one tool. So let's begin. So to start off with, you need to use this tool called Create Stars and Polygons. You can also get it by hitting the asterisk key. Drag out a polygon or star like this. Then if you don't see this toolbox right here, you have to double click on this, or you have to click on the object and hit the asterisk key again, and you get to see this toolbox here. We'll have to set the configurations right to get the shape. So set the number of corners to something high, maybe like 30. Set the spoke ratio to be something like 0.6. It's so you can also change the spoke ratio here. With this, it's how wide the base is going to be. Set the rounded to maybe like 0.12 or something. Yeah, it's how you can tinker with this later as well. And then this is the most important part, randomized. So this needs to be something like pretty low, like 0.05, and this is what gives the randomized looking shape. So now, yeah, you can tinker with the values as well, like increase the number of corners, decrease it, increasing the spoke ratio, or like this thickness here, how rounded it is. Like if you go overboard, it looks a little bit weird, so keep it like within this range of 0.1 to 0.3. And also you can like tinker with how randomized it is as well. Here as well, if you go like too much, it becomes pretty weird. So once you drag out another shape, it also once you drag out another polygon or star, it also retains the same configuration, so you can like create many different ones pretty easily. So if you make this 19, you also make something like this. So yeah, you can change the colors. That's about it. See you.